In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your subscribe page in Gumroad. If you want to make it easier for people to follow your updates, join your audience, and stay connected to what you're creating. Sharing your subscribe page is a simple and effective way to do it. Gumroad gives you a direct link that you can place on your website, in your social media bios, or even inside your email communications so people can subscribe quickly. To get started, log into your Gumroad account and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. From there, click on Emails. This section is where Gumroad helps you manage communication with your audience, and it's also where you can access tools related to subscribers and published emails. If you're not sure where to begin, this is the right place. Once you're in the Emails area, click on Subscribers. This will take you to the section that focuses specifically on the people who are following you and receiving your updates. Think of this as the hub for your subscriber audience. It's useful not only for viewing your followers, but also for finding the tools that help you grow that list. After that, look for the option that says Share Subscribe Page and click it. This is the key step. Gumroad will provide the link to your subscribe page, which is the page you can send to anyone who may want to hear from you in the future. It's designed to make subscribing easy so your audience can sign up without having to search around for the right place. Once you have that link, you can start sharing it wherever it makes the most sense for your brand or business. For example, you can add it to your website, include it in your social media profiles, or place it inside email messages when you want to invite people to stay updated. A good tip here is to share it in places where your audience is already engaging with you, since that usually leads to better results. And that's it. By going to Emails, opening Subscribers, and selecting Share Subscribe Page, you can quickly get the link you need and start growing your audience through Gumroad. It's a very short process, but it can make a big difference in helping people stay connected with your work.